the long wait for ambulances across the UK are putting lives at risk, this according to the College of Paramedics. In some cases, people thought to have head strokes and heart attacks, awaiting all for help to arrive. The United States and China have agreed to a closer cooperation to tackle climate change. It was a surprise declaration made at COP26 climate summit. They issued a joint statement in Glasgow pledging to achieve 1.5 Celsius temperature goal set out in the 2015 Paris Agreement. Anyone who works in a care home in England will have to be double vaccinated against COVID-19 from today unless they are medically exempt. That's all for the headlines. Thank you.
This is good, huh? Keep it up like this. Just focus a little more, pronunciation and overall style. If the thing is good, yeah.